Ever pondered the distinction between organic and synthetic fertilizers? Well, it's akin to savoring a home-cooked meal versus a fast food dinner. Both provide nourishment, but the source and quality of ingredients, the process of preparation, and the long-term effects on your health can be vastly different. Organic and synthetic fertilizers are like the two sides of a coin in the world of gardening. Both serve the same purpose, to enrich the soil and promote plant growth. But the way they do this, and the impact they have on the soil and the environment, is where the differences start to emerge. Organic fertilizers are derived from living organisms. Think bone meal, compost, manure, or seaweed. They are Mother Nature's way of recycling, turning waste into nutrient-rich food for plants. Organic fertilizers release nutrients slowly over time, mimicking the natural nutrient cycle of the soil. They not only nourish the plants, but also enrich the soil, improving its structure and fertility over time. Contrast that with synthetic fertilizers. Made in laboratories, these fertilizers are the fast food of the gardening world. They deliver nutrients to plants quickly and efficiently. But unlike organic fertilizers, they don't do much for the soil's long-term health. Overuse can lead to nutrient imbalances, soil degradation, and environmental pollution. So how do you choose between organic and synthetic fertilizers? It's about understanding your garden's needs and your gardening philosophy. If you are a patient gardener who values long-term soil health and environmental sustainability, organic fertilizers are the way to go. They might take longer to show results, but the benefits to the soil and the environment are worth the wait. On the flip side, if your garden needs a quick nutrient boost, or if you are growing plants with high nutrient demands, synthetic fertilizers might be the better choice. They provide quick results and are easy to use, but remember, they are like a sugar rush. Too much too often can lead to problems. In summary, organic fertilizers are derived from natural sources and improve the soil's long-term health, while synthetic fertilizers are man-made and provide quick, efficient nutrient delivery. The choice between the two depends on your garden's needs and your gardening philosophy. Remember, a well-fed garden is a thriving garden, so choose wisely, feed your garden with care, and it will reward you with abundant growth and beauty. Happy gardening!